Ready? Hi everybody, this is Instructor Barlow. This is for your Physics 215 class. And since we're doing things a little bit different now with not being able to do our labs at the college, I'm going to do the lab for you and you're going to watch the video to collect your data from me doing the lab. But what I want you to do before you watch this video is download and print out this reaction time lab from Blackboard, okay? Then you'll be able to fill in the numbers as I go and do the lab. So I want you to print it, and I want you to read the lab first so you kind of know what it is that I'm doing. There are some equations at the beginning of the first 2 pages of the lab that give you an idea of what you need to do calculation-wise for the rest of the lab. The first part of the lab is you're supposed to take a dollar bill, okay? And you're supposed to hold it between your fingers and somebody else's fingers to catch it, okay? So I've got 2 assistants here with me today. I've got my older son, Joe, and I've got my younger son, Adam. So Adam is gonna come over and give me a hand with the first part of the dollar bill catching. Come on over. So what I want you to do is I want you to hold the dollar bill here, up at the very top middle edge, okay? Now what I'm gonna try and do is you're not gonna tell me when you're gonna drop it. You're just gonna drop it and I'm gonna try and catch it, okay? I'll let you know when I'm ready, but I don't want you to tell me when you're gonna drop it. I just want you to drop it. You think you can do that? Cameraman, are you ready? Dollar bill man, are you ready? I'm ready, so you drop it when you're ready. Oh, fingers are sticky. Okay, let's try it again. And I'm ready. Okay, so I did catch it on the first try. Let's do it a few more times. Well, that time I didn't catch it.
My hands aren't sticky.
Okay, let's try it again. Well, I didn't catch it. So I didn't catch it 2 times in a row. You ready? Still didn't catch it. You want to hold the, ready? That time I caught it. Oh, and I didn't catch it the last time. So that was with my right hand. Let's try with my left hand. Oh, didn't catch it. Nope, didn't catch it. Boy, I'm not good at this. That time I caught it. So that one, it took me 3 times to catch it. Oh, didn't catch it. And one more. That time I caught it. Now, let me hold it for you. And you catch it and see. You tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Cameraman, are you ready? Okay, let's do it and see if the old man's reflexes are slower than the young man's reflexes. And I bet we all know the answer to this. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought you would get it. You ready? Okay, let's keep doing it until we catch one. You ready? Hold your fingers a little closer to the dollar bill. Ready? I gotta let it go first.
I'm not very good at this.
That's okay. And
I kind of caught them.
keep going until you catch it.
Oh, it's very far out. You came so close.
Ready? Go. See, it's a lot easier when I tell you.
Yeah.
Now let's do it with your left hand. You did it with your right hand. You ready? Ready?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's stuck in my finger.
Well, it's stuck. Yeah, so you ready?
It was just on my thumb.
And go. And go. Up. many times that was. But one of the questions is, did you get faster every time we did it? I don't know. You're going to have to look at the data and see. Now, this is pretty easy. You can do this at home yourself and fill your own results in here. The other part of the lab is you're supposed to take a meter stick and hold it at the 50 centimeter mark. Okay, in between, or you don't hold it, you hold it steady in right where the 50 centimeter mark is. And then we're gonna let go. Okay, and the reason we're gonna let go is we're gonna measure how many centimeters the meter stick falls before we catch it. And we're gonna do it looking at the meter stick, okay? And then we're gonna do it with peripheral vision, so holding the meter stick to the side. And we're gonna do this 10 times, okay? I want you to count. So this is the first run. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Are we ready? So holding it at 50 centimeters. Ready? Mm-hmm. Say when.
1.
So I caught it at 58 centimeters. Is about where the middle of my thumb is. Okay? Now, my number should be kind of close as I go through these trials, right? So, say when, Adam.
1.
Ooh,
Okay.
that was a lot worse. That was 70.
Kind of like brushed.
Okay. Say when, Adam.
1.
So,
That's
that was 57 centimeters. Say when.
1.
That was 64 centimeters.
1.
How many was this? Are you counting? So that's 65. So what number are we at?
50.
No, which trial?
What?
Which trial? How many drops did we do so far?
4.
4? Okay, so this is number 5, right? Ready? That's 67.
Yep. 5.
That's 5, okay. So this is number 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
We ready?
Mm-hmm.
Say when.
1.
So 60 centimeters. Say when.
1.
So 62 centimeters.
3 more tries.
3 more.
3 more.
Say when.
1.
So 65.
65. That's 2 more. 1.
That's 64.
Last one.
Okay.
1.
56. Okay. So that's looking at the meter stick. Now we're going to do it off to the side. But what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to come over here and you're going to need to hold the meter stick.
I do.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
It's hard not to wobble.
Yep. Let it go. Okay, we're
Ready?
well, hold it with 2 fingers and let go. That's probably a little easier.
Ready?
Yep. So 72, or no, I'm sorry, 82 centimeters for the first one.
Ready?
And 79 centimeters.
Ready?
No, you gotta hold it up a little more so it doesn't bounce off the floor.
You
Ready? Whoa! Like that. Ready?
Ready?
So that one was 78.
Mm-hmm.
What number are we at? Are you counting?
3, I think. I'm pretty
3?
sure. 3
Okay.
or 4.
Joe, you need to count too, because You ready?
Just focus.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Well, we got to do that one again. Let's hold it a little. Yeah,
Higher.
okay. Okay.
Ready?
77.
Mm-hmm.
Now remember, I'm holding at 50 centimeters, so it's the difference between 50 and these numbers that I'm calling out that you're going to put on your table.
Ready?
Okay, I got to be looking away so that it's my peripheral vision.
Okay.
Okay?
Ready?
Well, no, we got to redo that one.
That didn't really work.
You got to hold it with 2 fingers.
I think we're at 7.
You're at 6.
Oh. Wow. Ready?
That
So
was
that
7.
one's 64. What's that?
That was 7.
That was 7?
That was 7.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Okay.
Ready?
That one was 87.
Ready?
62.
Yeah. Ready?
72.
Ready?
65.
Ready?
57.
This kind of hurts.
Let's do one more.
Ready?
And that one is 67. Okay. So we did it looking at the meter stick and we did it with our peripheral vision. Okay. You're calculating, we just measured the distance. The lab is going to show you how to calculate the reaction time. Okay. Now, on our labs throughout the course of the semester, it's very important that you read the whole lab. Okay. Number 6 on page 5 tells you that you need to create a graph using Excel. We'll talk a little bit more about this in one of our classes, especially for those of you who never have used the program Excel. Hopefully you have, but if you haven't, I'll show you what you need to know to be able to get through it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use a pair of chopsticks, and Adam, who just so happens to swim, is gonna start, stop, and measure how long it takes me to put, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 objects into a plastic bin only using a pair of chopsticks. Now, if you want to do this at home and you have 6 small objects or 10 small objects, you can do this yourself. Okay? I'm going to do it with what I have, and then my assistant's going to do it, and we're going to compare the times. But this is something you can do on your own. The same thing with the meter stick dropping. If you have a meter stick at home or a ruler at home, you can do the dropping yourself, and you can do unit conversions if you only have a yardstick where it's feet and inches. So that's another option.
None of the coaches use these.
So tell me when you're ready.
Ready?
So give me an on your mark, get set, go.
On your mark, get set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4,
15 seconds.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How long did it take me?
26.6.
26.06 seconds. Okay. Now, who's gonna do it, Joe? You or Adam?
I can't really do it
You
with
pick.
one hand.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is, Joe, you're gonna come over.
Can I be the stopwatch person?
So you're gonna be the stopwatch person,
Yay.
and you're gonna take over. And give him a ready, set, go, Adam.
Ready, set, go. "15 seconds.
No, you can't stab something.
30 seconds. It's actually pretty smart. 40. 50. 55.
Close. There we go.
59.95.
Okay. I'm going to turn the phone back over to our cameraman.
Should I reset this?
Yep, hit reset.
Okay.
So now we're going to do the last part of the lab. So the last part of the lab is we're going to compare how long it takes to make a cell phone call from cell phone to cell phone.
And I'm stop up. And
Okay.
I'm stop up.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a call from this phone to the phone that Joe is holding. And we're going to do this 4 times. So when I say go, Adam, you're going to hit the start button. And when you hear the other phone ring, that's when you're going to hit the stop button.
What type of ring is it? Like a vibrator?
Oh, you'll hear it. It'll be like a phone ringing.
Okay.
You ready? You ready, Joe? And start. A problem here. So what we're going to do is we're going to call a different phone number. So we're going to do this 5 times. Okay, so this is going to be the data that you're going to use. Okay.
Wouldn't this be called that one for the
We are.
lab?
No, we're going to use that phone to call this phone. So when I say go, hit start. Did you clear it?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I say go, hit
You're
start. We're recording okay? Well, you ready?
Yep.
And start. Stop.
I heard that one first, and then I went to that one.
Okay. Read out the number.
4.13. 4 seconds.
4.13.
No.
So just call out the numbers. 4.13.
4.13.
Okay. So reset.
Reset.
Ready? We're going to do it again.
Okay.
You ready? And start. And stop. Okay, what's the number?
6.32.
6.32.
Yes.
Okay. So are we ready?
Yep.
And
Yeah, sorry.
you clear it?
Yeah, it's not
You ready?
it again.
So this is the 3rd trial. You
Yeah.
ready? And start. And stop. What did you get?
5.21.
So call out the numbers. 5.21.
5.21.
Okay.
Boop.
You ready?
Yep.
And start.
Five point 0.08.
5.08.
5.08. Reset.
That was number 4. Right?
Yep.
That was number 4.
Can I say go?
You ready
this
one
time?
last time?
Yep.
You want to say go this time?
Yep.
Okay, you say go this time.
Go. Six point 32.
6.32.
6.32.
Okay, so that is a cell phone placing a call. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a text message to the phone that the cameraman is holding.
Okay. Hey, Dad.
Yes.
I think when we did your version better, when you said go, I think that's better because when I hit go, then you hit go. So I think it would be.
Okay, so are you cleared?
Yep.
Okay. Joe, when I tell you, all right, we're going to hit go and he's going to hit the start button on the stopwatch. And what you're going to do is you're going to tell him when to stop, like when you get the message on your end. So go ahead over to him and look at the phone. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
When I say go, you're going to hit start, and then when you see the message pop up on the phone, you'll see it pop up on the phone.
Okay.
You'll hit stop. Are we all ready?
Yep.
So this is the first trial, and go.
Got it.
What's the time?
5.48.
5:48.
5.48.
Okay, hit clear.
Clear.
Okay, go back over, and we're going to do the same thing. This is the second trial. When I say go, are you ready?
Yep.
And go. Did you get it?
3.95.
3.95.
Yep.
Hit clear.
Clear.
You ready to do it again?
Yep.
And go.
Eight 8.09.
Okay. Hit clear. 8.09.
What try is this?
This will be the fourth one.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready?
Go.
$4.29.
Okay. You ready to do the last one?
Yep.
Okay. Tell me when. You ready?
Yep. Now,
Okay. Go.
I think we should retry this one.
Okay, we'll retry that one. I'll say when to go.
Okay.
Hit clear.
Yep. Hit clear.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Go.
$10.48.
Interesting. Okay. So now it says we should send an email. Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to, we'll do that one in a little bit. So now we're going to call this phone from that phone. So these are the numbers that you're going to put in for the lab phone. So what I want you to do is when I tell you, you're going to hit go.
Okay.
Go. And stop. Okay, what'd you get?
7.72.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
7.72 is the first one.
Yep.
When I say go, you ready?
Yep.
And go. And
10.
10 10.43. 10:43. So that's the second one. Let's do the third one. You ready?
Yep.
When I say go, you ready?
Yep.
Go. $10.29.
This is number.
This will be the fourth one.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
And go. That was 4, wasn't it, Joe?
It sometimes takes a while.
Yeah, it does. 10.9. 10.90. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
One. Is that 4? So we got one more. Let's do one more. Ready? And go. That was 11.41. Okay? And you can stop the video. We're going to resume it and do the email one later. Okay, so last part of the lab is sending emails between computers. So the reason for the little pause there was to get the computer set up. We're going to send an email from this computer to this computer, and we're going to time it. Is the first email ready to go and hit enter? Okay, so when I say go, you hit send, and we'll see how long it takes to hit receive. You ready? And go. So for 8 seconds, so the first one took 15.21 seconds. Okay, are we ready to send the second email? Okay, when I say go, we're going to hit and send the second email. And ready, go. Six seconds, 8 seconds, 10, 18. Okay, so that one took 22 seconds, 22.04 seconds. So we're going to do a third one. And when I say ready, we're going to hit sending the second one. And go. That one took 17.93 seconds. Okay, so we're going to do the fourth one. You ready to do the fourth one? And ready, go. $17.48 seconds. So now for the fifth email. We ready to send the fifth email? Ready and go. That one was a little quicker. That one was 13.43 seconds. So those are your 5 email to email times. The previous video, we did a cell phone call, we did the text messages, and we did calling from a landline, which in the lab itself says lab phone in that last column. And this last video is the email column. Okay, so the rest of the lab is, it asks you to do an Excel plot, which we'll talk a little bit more about, and then it's doing the calculations and answering the questions. So stay tuned, and we'll be doing another lab here next week. Thank you very much. Have a good night.